Looking for the perfect stay in Las Vegas? Tired of hotels? Look no more. I've tried everything: luxury suites, budget inns, even quirky Airbnbs. Spoiler, none of it felt right. Then I found this place. I was skeptical, but also curious, so here we are. Checked in, explored the strip, and boom, found my new favorite spot in Vegas. If you're searching for something unique, trust me, you need this. Click the link and thank me later.
Looking for the perfect blend of comfort, privacy, and convenience for your next Las Vegas adventure? The Southwest Estate is your ideal choice. Here's why this magnificent 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom villa stands out. With 7 bedrooms and 13 beds, it comfortably sleeps up to 10 guests, offering plenty of space for everyone to relax and unwind without feeling cramped. You'll enjoy an abundance of privacy for a truly unforgettable stay. Nestled just 4 miles southwest of the iconic Las Vegas Strip, you're perfectly positioned for quick access to world-class hotels, entertainment, dining, and attractions, while still having a peaceful retreat to return to. The Southwest Estate offers a private oasis where you can create lasting memories with your group, away from the hustle and bustle, but still incredibly close to all the action. It's the ultimate Las Vegas retreat. Visit 777rentals.com and book now.